Alright guys, welcome to another exciting video, and today what we have in store is MIUI 14 device list. Now what we're going to talk about real quick is which device will get MIUI 14 and which ones will not. So do stay till the end of the video to know what exactly will happen with your phone when MIUI comes into the picture. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Now before we begin, recently we did make a comprehensive video on which we showed you what are the new features that are expected in MIUI 14. Do go ahead and check that video out. It's in the I button right now. And let's get back to the topic for today's video. Now, as you can see, MIUI 14 ineligible devices is from Xiaomi UI. They do keep giving us amazing news, so do follow them on their website. Now, as you can see, devices that will not receive the new major MIUI 14 interface, and these are the list of the devices. So Mi 9, Mi 9 SE, 9 Lite, 9 Pro, that's okay. 90 Pro, this is also the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. Really sad because even the MIUI 13 update was not given to them, although they are very capable. Now, as you can see, Redmi Note 9, I have one of those phones in my family. So the Note 9 series is not going to get it. Note 8 series is not going to get it. Somebody on the channel recently asked me if the Note 8 will get MIUI 13. I don't think so because it's not going to get 14 as well. Even the Redmi 9 series, the Poco M2 and Pro series. So one of the very first times when a Poco device is not getting an update. One of the most mainstream devices like M2 or M2 Pro. Also the Mi Note 10 Lite and the Poco C3 and C31. So the C3 is again something that I have in the family. Anyway, these are the devices that will not get the update. Until now, if your device is not there in the list, you can be a little relaxed. But what happens at times is even if your device is included in the eligible list, you will probably get MIUI 14 by the time MIUI 15 leaks have started coming. That's how slow and very slow Xiaomi updates are. Now, of course, the Xiaomi 13 series, which is not even announced or leaked yet, which is going to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, will be probably coming with MIUI 14. Xiaomi 12 series, yes, they will be getting MIUI 14. So all these, latest devices like the 11T Pro, the 12T Pro and stuff will of course get. Now we come to the mid-range devices, Mi 11 Lite 4G, 5G, 5G NE. This is available in India. Mi 11i, of course, Mi 11i Hyper Charge is going to get it. 11 Ultra, of course, that is a killer device. The entire Mi 11 lineup, including the Mi 11X, will be getting the MIUI 14 treatment. And I believe for the Mi 11X, this will be probably the last update with Android 13 because we've already received Android 12. Now the Mix series, the CV series is not available in India. The Mi 10 series, it's good to see that the Mi 10 series, including the 10T and 10T Pro, very solid device, is definitely going to get the update. Xiaomi Pad 5, recent devices. And now we come to the Redmi list of eligible devices. Very interesting because understand this is the series which sells the most for Xiaomi in India and abroad, right? Now, of course, the latest Note 11 series will be getting it. The Note 10 Pro is something we have in our lineup, so that is going to get it. So we will be having a quick preview for that as well. Note 10T, Note 10 Pro, Note 9 4G, Redmi Note 9 5G. Okay. Now, let me see what I read above. Ineligible devices. Redmi Note 9 is mentioned over here. The Note 9, Note 9S, Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max. These devices will not be getting. At the same time, if we go to the Redmi series of devices, Note 9 4G, Note 9 5G. I don't know if these are different devices, but I really hope the Note 9 4G in India gets the update. Now, the K50 series will of course get MIUI 14. The K50 was recently unveiled in India and it is going to be available at a very good price in the upcoming Amazon and Flipkart sale. Now the K40 series, of course, because the 11X series is included. Also the Redmi 10 series, which was last year's devices, entry level has been included, and Note 11e, E Pro, E Pro Plus. I don't think apart from the 11T these are available. Now we come to a very small list of devices from Poco because they have not really released a ton of phones. So we do have that here as well. Now, starting from the top, Poco M3, M4 Pro, M4, M5, these are latest devices. X4 Pro, yes, around 6 to 8 months old. And then X3 and X3 Pro. So it's good to see the Poco X3 is there in the list because it's relatively a device which is almost 2 years old now. And Poco X3 GT, X4 GT, Poco F4 and F3. Of course, 11X is the F3 and C40 and C40 Plus. Now, those are the list of devices that will get the update, but when can we expect MIUI 14 to start rolling out? Now, last year, Xiaomi announced MIUI 13 at a launch event in the month of December. So it's expected that even this year in November or December, along with the Xiaomi 13 series lineup, MIUI 14 should start rolling out. Now, that is for China. Remember, after it comes to China, it comes 3-4 months after that to global and Indian markets. And will my phone get MIUI 14? Well, you should be getting it. Also, one more thing to note, which is really important and interesting, is the features that you get in MIUI China and you get in global and India. There's an upcoming video for that. So like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see that video. So it's going to be interesting if Xiaomi further unifies the Chinese and global or Indian builds. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.